everyone! Welcome to my channel again! Today I'm going to show you how to make teriyaki sauce. Simple and easy, very few ingredients. And the reason I'm having this today because we're going to have salmon for dinner tonight. So let's get started by showing you what ingredients I'm going to need. Okay? So the ingredients to make teriyaki are simple and easy. Let's start with 2 tablespoons cornstarch. Okay, this will help thicken the sauce with 1/4 cup of water. Also, we will have 2 clove minced garlic and 1 tablespoon ginger, about the size of your thumb. 2 tablespoons mirin sauce, any brand of your choice. 1/4 cup of coco aminos. I like this brand because it only have 160 milligrams of sodium. As you can see, I don't know if you can, it's really small. Also, we have 1 cup of water and 1/4 cup brown packed sugar. So let's start cooking. In a medium saucepan, set over medium heat, combine a cup of water, brown sugar, amino sauce, mirin sauce, garlic and ginger, and just give a little mix. Then in a small bowl with cornstarch, combine the 1/4 cup water and whisk with fork until these 2 ingredients are dissolved. Add the cornstarch mixtures to the saucepan. You know what, folks? What I like this homemade teriyaki sauce recipe is because it only takes minutes to make it. And it definitely tastes a lot better than the jarred sauce. Anyways, cook the sauce for 5 minutes or until it thickens to your desired thickness. Also, if the sauce becomes too thick, then add more water to thin it out. But if you ask me, I like my sauce bold and thick because it's great with marinade or as a sauce served with my favorite fish and meat. Alright folks, we are almost done cooking this simple, low sodium teriyaki sauce. Thank you for watching the Unsalted Kitchen channel again. If you like this video, then hit like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get updates for new videos. Also, I would love to read your comments, so please tell me what you think about this video. Please continue to watch this video until the end so that I can give you tips on how to store the sauce. When it's done cooking, carefully transfer the sauce into an empty glass jar and let it cool before putting the lid on, and refrigerate it until it's ready to be used. You can also store this sauce for up to 2 weeks. Thank you. Have a wonderful cooking.